Today we're going to go on a hike to Greer Creek Falls. It's a pretty easy, subtle hike near Vanderhoof, BC. I've lived in the Bulkley-Nechako for 42 years. There's numerous hikes to go on. I haven't come close to them all. I'd like to do more of them because I am an avid hiker. So it's another hikes that we've done is Chestnut Falls. Chestnut Falls is a great hike. It's probably a couple kilometers down to some raging falls. Beautiful area. I've done it numerous times and would do it again any day. Norris Creek is close to Burns Lake, a couple kilometer hike to a beautiful swimming hole. We hope to see you on the trails one day soon.